name is Ricky Blaze.
I'm calling down your phone, but you're not picking up. I guess you're at a show. Now this long distance love, I think it's just too much. So now I'd rather go.
I know you called my phone, I couldn't pick it up, but girl, I was alone. I'm missing you so much, I wish that I was home. All this lack of trust.
When the stage is calling, do you